So I'm here with Darrell Jordan-Smith. He's the Chief Revenue Officer at Wind River, and we're going to talk about some pretty interesting news coming out of the North American market. So Darrell, can you tell us about the news that Wind River has with Boost Mobile?
Sure. So Boost has selected Wind River to build out their ORAN, Open Radio Access Networking infrastructure through the United States. For us, that's a particularly exciting project because it's not just an expansion of what they have, it's actually a replacement of some of the other components that they built. And for us, in addition to that, from a RAN perspective, they're using our technology also to run enterprise-based applications and services. So as you probably are aware, from a Wind River perspective, our product and operator in this case is 6 nines, 6 nines availability, and we're now starting to see enterprise-based applications also integrated and work through that entire environment. So we'll be able to automate it end to end, both from an enterprise perspective and the radio access network perspective.
This sounds like a really significant undertaking for Boost. So how is this going to be enabled, and does the open RAN nature of Boost Mobile's network make this more possible than perhaps with traditional networks?
Yeah, they started off designing their network to be disaggregated. So they wanted to have that agility and that flexibility to drive not just immediate TCO, but long-term advantage as well. It also allows them to move around components within that architecture. So from a Wind River perspective, even though we've won this particular opportunity, they could replace us at any given time. So every day we have to show up, being our best and proving ourselves in that environment. And for Boost, that is something that they value in our relationship, and we work very closely with them to meet their expectations.
Okay, and finally, what are the main advantages to Boost for having Wind River as the key partner? What are you going to be delivering to that?
Well, we're delivering them something called Studio Operator, which is our Wind River cloud platform, for want of a better terminology, as well as our automation orchestration toolset. So something called Conductor that allows us to automate the deployment of many thousands of nodes and upgrade many thousands of nodes in minutes versus days or weeks. So we're delivering that end-to-end for them, but not just their radio access network, but also in elements around their core network implementations. We don't run the network core. There's another vendor that actually does that, but we do all the integration around that. So they're really relying on us to build that platform, maintain the high availability and reliability, as well as support their ecosystem of other vendors that want to run their workloads on that cloud platform.
Okay, and I guess just finally as well, they're already seeing what Wind River can do in the telco environment right on their doorstep, can't they?
Yes, they can. Our relationship with Verizon that you've previously covered, and TELUS, another one that you've also previously discovered, they see that benefit, they see that proven technology. So we've really positioned with them to deliver something that's very proven and expand it aggressively with them as they move out and grow their deployment, as well as actually replace some of the other components within that environment.
Well, very interesting development in the market there, Darrell. Look forward to seeing how this plays out for Boost and for Wind River. Thanks very much.
Thank you.